y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Holly and this is my cousin Camille.
Hi.
We're going to do my essential oils one class today, and I have Camille here to help me teach it. Oh, actually she's going to teach it, and Amber. Let me go grab Amber real quick. Okay. This is Amber. This is one of Camille's best friends, and she is here to help Camille teach the class also.
Yes, we are super excited about the class tonight. This is where we're going to talk all things essential oils and really just what the wellness lifestyle looks like. We're going to be talking about how to use oils, what they are, why it's important to have a good quality of your oil, and just what it looks like when you start to use more of, or have less toxins in your life and more natural and good wholesome products in your life. And so if you want to learn more about this stuff, you can reach out to Holly. We do classes all the time. We do them locally where I'm from in Helena and Birmingham. We can do them out here at Holly's house, or we even do online classes. If you're not local and it's something you want to learn about, we have almost weekly online classes at night that you can just call in and listen in to get your education. So if that's something that interests you, just reach out to Holly or Camille or me or anybody, and we'll be glad to help you out.
I have twins.
You do? Boy, girl. Identical.
No, we're totally different.
So what do you think, Camille? In certain ways they're very similar, and in other ways they're like...
They have similarities,
But sometimes they'll feed
I
off
think
each
y'all
other,
are
you know?
a lot alike, but you have different life experiences that make you different.
but like my kids are like, wait, I thought that was husband. He has a twin brother.
So, funny story, there's a Mexican restaurant close to our house.
Those are things that should be like,
I'll show y'all my essentials oil cabinet. It's kind of empty right now because I have the other ones displayed. This is super nice to have to keep my oils organized, to keep them away from the ceiling.
Corey, do you want to bring me?
Yeah. What are they, Camille? Are they gluten-free brownies?
oh yeah, I need to tell people, that's almond flour. So in case you have
This is the diffuser that you will get if you want the kit for $160. It's called the Desert Mist, and it changes the colors. I like the candle flickering.
But other than that, they don't taste
Actually,
like
good thing,
almond flour.
I
They
don't know my
taste
tongue's
like
swollen.
flour, but
Good thing Matthew Green's not over here.
you have
He is
it
allergic to them.
Yeah.
Do you all know
Super
that?
good.
Do they live? Does he live here?
Wait, do I have brownie in my teeth?
Start when we got oils, because you know when you have little ones, there's all sorts of like little things that happen, and you're like, what is safe to use for my kids? So my sister actually gave me the best gift that anybody can give you. It was a starter kit. She gave it to me as a gift, and we just started using them. And she started telling us like, this is how you use this. This is how you use this. But we really fell in love with like Thieves. Then we just started noticing like the benefits of all the other oils. Just like one by one, we used up all of our oils, 30 something. During the plague in Europe, there were these thieves that were robbing the corpses, like going into homes where no one else would dare to
Anybody
go.
else went in there would die.
Anybody else goes in there, they catch the plague, they die. And these thieves were like racking up on stuff. Well, they were caught and they were taken to the king. And the king, this is a true story, y'all. The king was like, I will let y'all have a lighter sentence if y'all tell us what you did to keep from getting the plague. Yeah. And they shared this oil blend with the king. They told, you know, the rosemary, the clove, and
Yeah, it was the blend of the oils that are used in the Thieves
and they
oil,
were
so
like putting it on themselves and carrying sachets of it, and they were getting the plague, y'all. It's a pretty huge deal. Like, this is the plague. It was like killing whole communities. So that's the story behind Thieves and why they call it Thieves, obviously. But anyway, cup it and breathe it. And sometimes I will literally just hold a bottle here. And under Ariana, she's only 18 months old, so I don't put a lot of oils on her, but I let her. Bobby does this all the time. He'll put a bottle of oil under her nose and just let her breathe it, and she immediately calms. So we know that oils work, but we want you guys to like be able to experience them. So I'm gonna pass this around and let you guys smell each one, and I'll explain each one as I pass it around. But also the other two ways are topically. A lot of people don't really know, like, what do I do with all these oils? Which way should I use this one? And one way we like to use a lot of the oils, I will literally make a roller ball, dilute them with coconut oil, like. And when I say roller ball, like, I'm talking about where it has like a roller fitment on the end, and I can literally just like roll it on. This one has Peace and Calming in it. Peace and Calming is a blend, and it has Roman chamomile, which is super calming. I'll let you guys smell these, or you can roll them on even. But topically is one of the top ways that I use oil.
And the kits are $165, and it's going to come with your choice of the Desert Mist Diffuser, which is that one right there. It has 10 different light settings. I'll kind of go ahead and just show y'all. You can press this button right here, and it's going to do all of the different light settings. So it has like
My
a
favorite is the candle one.
Which is what it was set on. It will turn off, but still.
You open this up, and you get two extra oils. I'm going to go ahead and pull them out so that I can pass these around first. And then you're going to get like sample bottles. You get the two little samples of Nisha Red, which is a very high antioxidant drink. Major wellness support.
Yeah, we take these daily antioxidants. What do y'all think of? I wonder if y'all like me. Blueberries, right? Everyone makes the blueberries. That's what I did. Okay, so there's what's called like an ORAC score, and it is basically scoring the fruit or the food's ability to fight off free radicals in your body. And so blueberries have a score of 32. The Nisha, which is Nisha Red, which is just made from the Nisha wolfberry. It's like a goji berry. It's grown in the Nisha province in China. It's at the bottom of the Himalaya mountains, and it's in a floodplain. So like it is just getting tons of rain. So the minerals and nutrients in these are incredible. But it scores it's 303. So it is like insanely packed, and that's why you only need 1 to 2 ounces a day. These are 2-ounce samples, but we take this like it was part. You know, they're a little pricey for the bottles, but you're only taking a little bit, so it'll last you about a month. But it was just something like Corey and I talked about. We're like, this is a no-brainer. Like
It's part of your wellness plan.
Yeah,
actually, just like the scent, it's a really natural, plant-powered perfume for me.
Okay, and so keep in mind when you're smelling things, if you don't typically like the smell of the oil, that just really means you need it, which is crazy.
Recently, and I'm like, really?
And it's like, And then as I have just kind of detoxed my system, it's been a gradual process, but like they start. I'm like, oh, I like this. This smells good to me. And now this smell that I used to like,
you did like the smell of it.
Sounds
good. You made a funny face, so I didn't know.
It's also one that I use on the kids before school, because I feel like it kind of calms them and helps them to like relax and sit down and chill out instead of just being so
hormones and your emotions. Which one? That one?
Yes.
Out like a light. Peace and calming.
Peace and calming.
It's not on there. Okay, so that is the old kit. So if y'all have these sheets, there's one oil on here, Copaiba, that was taken out of it.
Yeah. Also, you can use this straight up on pimples.
Okay, you're getting on the arm, right?
An antimicrobial, antibacterial, antifungal, and what else is it? I can't remember, but it literally you can put it on.
It's a drawing.
Where's the free? She's getting a kit. She's getting a kit. We're all getting kits. And Amber's doing a drawing. Whoever gets on ER and gets a kit, you get all this free stuff, and it's $115 value. A bunch of oils.
You get all the oils. You get all the samples. Like I'm trying to think if you wanted frankincense, like that was like $70.
What Addison? What? I'm excited. They're getting a kit.
30 on the
We're all going healthy living.
You can do it on your phone. If y'all have your...
We have it set up over here.
She's like, I'm getting it. Hey, Bobby.
Can you come help me?
I can't believe you're getting a cake. Are you skeptical?
No, I'm in nursing school, so.
Oh my God, no, we have nurses, we have nurse people. I'm serious. My friend Jen, she actually quit being a nurse and she does this full time. Because it just literally, I mean, she was making
I'm gonna carry you.
more than what she was.
Okay, it's just too different. I probably should say that. But to me, I don't understand why they're still, I guess they still have a good amount of it, so I'm trying to get rid of it. But I'm not like against them, I just forget about it.
You need to put them out. Like, what will happen is you end up having
I just think everybody was kind of skeptical, not really going to get a kit. I think everybody here is buying a
That's
kit.
what I'm gonna do.
Our class was great. Cannot wait to have another one. Amber and Camille are awesome.
Put this in the kitchen. Just had 4 new families sign up and get their kits tonight, and they're doing it on Essential Rewards because they are ready to start this wellness journey. So we did an awesome promo. So whoever got their kit tonight and got it on ER is getting the Healthy, Active, and Fit kit. It comes with the Cool Azul Sports Gel and 5 essential oils. It comes with RC, Peppermint, Copaiba, Deep Relief, and Thieves oil. And so this is like a $115 kit, and someone, we don't know who yet, is going home with it tonight.
Oh, it's fake. I love
I'm so excited. Okay, so who's it gonna be?
I put my name in here too. Okay. Here you go. The winner is Althea Monner!
Hey, and you get one of these.
Who got a kit gets to take one of these cute ones. They're mixing up the ones that they want right now.
Look at the green. The stuff is dripping all down the bottle. It's out of your bottle.
If you want to learn more about the Young Living Essential Oils, hit up Holly for another class.
Get your healthy on.